In prime time news this evening, controversy in Kigali. Damning financial audit raises questions about incumbent Commonwealth Secretary General's tenure. Not in our community, Trelawney residents turn over suspect in Clarendon family murder. And tougher laws for child killers, Constitutional Affairs Minister responds to the suggestion.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online once you log on to onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also in this evening's package, the Business Day, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime, and your weather reports and forecast. But before the break, here's our feedback question. This evening we want to know, what are your thoughts on the prospects of Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith becoming Commonwealth Secretary General? You can share your comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.